Hello everyone, my name is Ashud from CSE AML A section. So today for our EPS Tech Talk, I'm going to talk about the topic about artificial intelligence algorithms for healthcare. How is artificial intelligence especially useful for like healthcare sector, and also how is it useful in the scope of how are the specific algorithms useful for the healthcare sector? So AI algorithms are like increasingly being utilized in healthcare to improve the patient's outcome, to streamline the operation, reduce costs. So we'll discuss about few key points and also like how transformative the role is of AI algorithms, highlighting key points of it, and also the like ethical consideration, the future trends of what this could be. So the promise of precision in AI in diagnostics. AI is able to detect patterns and as such the things extremely easily. So early detection, AI is used to like analyze medical images to detect diseases like cancer earlier, enabling timely intervention. Improved accuracy. AI-powered diagnostic tools can identify like subtle patterns missed by human eye, as humans tend to cause errors and as such. So it can lead to more accurate diagnosis as well. And personalized like diagonalization. AI utilizes individual patient data to provide customized diagnostics tailored for unique needs and risk factors. So, uh, algorithms or machine learning algorithms can be used like supervised learning, useful for like predictive modelings, as such like, to predict the outcome based on like the trends and like reoccurrence of photos as such. Linear regression, predict the continuous outcome, like predicting blood sugar levels or such. Then also some support vector machines that classify data into categories. Like it can be especially useful for cancer detection from image data and random forest. Assemble methods for classification and regression tasks, like predicting task outcomes and such. So AI powered personalized medicine, like tailoring treatment. So it can be used to create treatments for individual people and as such. So AI algorithms analyze patient data, including medical history, genes, and lifestyle, to identify optimal treatment. AI-powered drugs also like recommendation personalized therapy for like each person and increasing effectiveness. AI system tracks patients' progress and adjusts treatment plans in real time, ensuring the best possible outcomes for them. So, like decision trees, as when you discuss in algorithms as such, so used for creating personalized treatments based on the patient's data that they acquire, the AI data or the algorithm acquires. Neural networks, the languages like predict patient-specific response to treatments. For example, if they have like a history of cancerous cells, so treatments such as chemotherapy can be predicted as an outcome. And federating learning, like enabling collaborative model training across institutions while like preserving data privacy. So it can collect data from various organizations for helping it to uh, improve its effectiveness as such. So revolutionizing drug discovery with artificial intelligence. See, artificial intelligence also like helps create new drugs and like possibly find out what effects and side effects it has as well. So target identification. AI like identifies promising drug targets by analyzing vast data sets, the big groups of data as well. Virtual screening. AI algorithm stimulates drug interactions with targets, uh, molecules, like quickly scanning millions of possible candidates and what's optimal as such. And also uh, AI drug optimization, like AI analyzes drugs to optimize drug property like efficiency, safety, stability, accelerating the development process, and also what possible side effects it might have. So while coming to networks, neural networks as such, graphical neural network used for model molecular structures and predicting drug interactions, autoencoders used for features like extraction or dimensionalization, reducing in higher dimensional data. genomic data, the genes and like our basic matter related. Bayesian networks used for probabilistic models or like traffic efficiency side effect testing such predictive outcomes, like predicting and analyzing forecoming like health outcomes and as such. Risk assessment. And AI identifies individuals at high risk specific diseases, enabling preventing measuring. So the outcome, it can also able to assess risk and able to know what possible outcomes could be coming. And outcome prediction, treatment and outcomes on helping doctors tailor the best care of plan as such. So resource allotment as well. AI is able to optimize resource allotment based on the prediction like demanded for service and ensuring effective healthcare and such. So, while coming to NLP algorithms or natural language processing algorithms, so named entity recognition, so extracts key information from unstructured text or unstructured things as such. So, once we give it a certain amount of data about the patient, it's able to naturally process that information and extract key points or key elements from it. So, for example, extracting the diagnosis or medication from medical notes. So you have to read them and understand them. Sentimental analysis, like analyzing patients' feedback or social media data to gauge the patient satisfaction or mental health. So in healthcare, not only physical but also mental health is a big thing. So as such, it's able to read text and understand what is there and what things it has to do as well. So neural language processing, unlocking patients' data, like we discussed. AI analyzes patients' records, medical literature, and also other text-based data to extract valuable insight, like how we've discussed before, NLP algorithms as such. So AI-powered chatbots to help them provide personalized healthcare advices. For as each person is not same for like do not have the same problem, it's best if we are able to give personalized things for all and supporting decision making. AI translates medical information into different languages, improving communication and accessibility for diverse patient populations. As in healthcare, you have to look for a global mass of people that have taken into account. This is going to be extremely helpful for them as well. So streamline operation and AI for administrative efficiency. So while talking about efficiency, as we know, AI or artificial intelligence are extremely efficient at doing tasks. So while for tasks such as appointment of schedule, like scheduling appointments and all, AI system optimize appointment scheduling, reducing wait times, and improving patient satisfaction. Billing and claims processing to be do similar tasks as well. So AI automatically bills and claims processing, minimizing errors and reducing administrative burden on healthcare providers. Data management. AI manages and analyzes vast amount of data in healthcare, providing insight for like operational improvement and strategic planning. So things such as predictive analysis as well, like for forecasts, patient admissions, staff requirements, and business allotment to predict them, and optimization of algorithms, improving scheduling, bed allotment, and supply chain management, what is required for the hospital as well. Um, then when we come to ethical point of view as well, when we talk about it, like ethical consideration of navigating AI in healthcare, data privacy is one that most people look for. Protecting data, like patients' data, and ensuring responsible use of sensitive information is critical as it contains a good amount of their daily life and it's going to be extremely effective if not careful. Um, Algorithmic bias. So AI algorithms can perpetuate existing bias, so leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. So if AI is not like being understood in the right way, the already existing social norms or social blockage we have, it is going to increase because of these biases as we it depends on the data we feed into the system as well. Transparency and accountability. Understanding how AI algorithms make decisions is essential for trust and responsible for implementation. So we need to be able to understand how it's able to take into account different classes of patients that are gonna come. And so case study, like what is being already implemented in real life, real world AI implementation. So at present, 10 million patients are benefited from AI-powered diagnostic tools and personalized treatment plans. So the numbers also like rapidly increasing as well. So you're going to take that into account. And also 50% of drugs discovered are like because of AI. So AI has accelerated drug discovery, leading to the development of new therapies. So efficiency as well, when we talk about that, 25% as is increase. AI-powered automation has streamlined healthcare operation and increasing efficiency and reducing costs. A big thing as well when we talk about. So now let's talk about the future of AI and the challenges it proposes to us. So the main challenges that we can talk about right now is data privacy and security. Like you should ensure um, patient's data is protected and it needs to be compliance with like HIAB. So it's like healthcare organizations or administrations that are there. Bias and fairness, again, one more point we've talked about already. So interpretability. So AI must would be able to understand the patient's emotions and words properly and should be transparent with like clinicians as well. So again, the regulation is given by the FDA, the Federal Deputy of Authority of Healthcare, we'll talk about. And other regulations should be like for like AI-based medical devices as such. So now when we talk about opportunities of future directions, so explainable AI or ZI developing models to provide clear explanations for their predictions. So it's not important that the patient needs to be able to understand what it's getting. Edge AI is another one that is currently being used. So deploying AI algorithms on wearable devices for real-time health monitoring. For example, if a patient has issue with the eye, so our device can be worn to scan the retina of the eye, like a headset of sort. So to scan and deploy AI, like wearable devices to give real-time health monitoring as well. Or smart glasses that we've talked about like in recent times as well can be used in those cases. So interactive, yeah, like AI generated telemedicine, like telecommunication medicine as such. So in all, to conclude, I could say that AI in healthcare is rapidly evolving, a field with immense potential to like transform how healthcare is delivered, make it more personalized, efficient, and accessible for everyone, regardless of class, creed, or any other bias. So with that, I'd like to thank you all.